day two of the Jamaican trial out here in Port St. Lucie. We're with Cadriano Marsh and
Carlos.
Carlos Marsh. Talk to us, Cadriano. What was your experience like today? I know you came in today, you weren't able to make it yesterday. Talk to us about today's experience.
Yeah, the experience was great. Just meeting players, just coming to Jamaica to try out. It was amazing. Just the experience to be out here and getting an opportunity just to try for the Jamaican team is always just a blessing, you know?
All right. I mean, what club are you connected to, and what position do you play?
I'm connected to Inter Miami. I play left wing, but I can play anywhere up top.
Okay. And I mean, how excited are you about having an opportunity to represent Jamaica?
I'm very excited, just knowing that both my parents are from Jamaica, so it's just really a great opportunity just to know that I can represent my both of my parents.
Wonderful. And I mean, what are your plans? I mean, what is there a particular club you're looking to hopefully play for in the future? I mean, you look good out there today.
Yeah, the club I want to play for is Real Madrid. You know, best club in the world, 14 Champion Leagues, and you know that they're at the top.
All right, wonderful, wonderful. I want to ask your father, is there anything today about today that you want to highlight, you want to speak about?
No, not really. Most of the kids they came out and they do what they got to do to showcase themselves, and it's always a pleasure, to be around your kind. So it was fun.
There you go. People, this is one for the future. Looks like he's around 6 feet tall. He's
Uh,
very fast. Uses both feet. So look out for him. He could be dominating at IMG in August, donning the Jamaican colors. Thank you so much.